Alright everybody, so I just wanted to make this quick video on this Eaton Shore Lights LED exit sign that I got. My dad has a ton of these at his warehouse and I wanted to bring one home, so here it is. Now, I did take it out of the box already. This does come off, obviously. Now, so in the box you get the exit sign, obviously, which isn't in there right now, an instruction manual, and your green exit card. The exit sign also comes in this bag, which you take out of, obviously. Anyway, so you pry this open with a screwdriver from these tabs here at the bottom, and you then get this underneath it. So, let's do a little bit of exploration here. So, in this little hardware box here, we have the mounting plates, this piece of packing foam, the battery, and down here is the easy key disconnect that it has. So, you just pull this out and save it, and if you ever need to disconnect the battery, then you can do so without having to remove the exit sign. Why can I not get that stupid thing off? Okay, where's my screwdriver? Seriously? Okay, so we're just gonna be there we go. Oh, and hey, this thing's still got a battery charge in it. I didn't know that. It's been sitting for like years, I think. That's insane. Alright, I'm gonna plug that back in. That's pretty cool. So, very soon, probably in my next video, I am going to install this. So, let me know where, because I could do it above my door right there, but I don't know. I could also do it in my basement, in my shop. There's a bunch of options. Anyway, so, let's just talk about this a little bit more. There are some slots here on the side that I believe are for emergency light heads, which is interesting. I've never seen something like that. There is a single wire nut in here. I don't know what that's about. And we have black wire, white wire, green wire, and yellow, orangish wire. I don't know which of those is 120 and which is 277, but I will figure that out at some point. Oh, you know what? That's not for an emergency light head. That's, yeah, because there's an identical one on the top, so that's for if you mount it from the side. Okay. Anyway, this, it's pretty obvious, but, because I've mentioned it, but this is very, very nice die-cast aluminum. It's insanely strong, very durable, and I really like the quality. I have a lot of Eaton products, and they are very nice. Crap, can I not get that back on? Okay, whatever, yeah. Go. Like I said, it's a very good quality product. I would definitely buy more of these. I greatly appreciate the thought that went into the design of these. And if you are looking for an exit sign, then you should keep this in mind. It's also vandal proof because it's die cast. So if you are in an area where vandals are an issue, that is a great option for you. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.